Okay, today we're going to do a relative compression test using voltage, using the little DSTouch scope from DreamScope Labs. Now, the reason why I'm choosing doing a voltage version versus an current version is that it's just less gear to haul out. And if I was hauling out gear, I'd haul out the Picoscope. And the idea here is just doing this with a portable 2-channel scope. Okay, so I can easily identify cylinder number 1. I have a capacitive clamp on the spark plug line on cylinder number 1. It's ground attached right by the alternator there. And then to measure voltage of the battery, I've got just 2 wires connected, and then going to the DSTouch. I also have the fuel pump relay pulled so it doesn't start on me or anything like that. Now, I could just stomp on the pedal and start in flood start mode, but I like to be double sure. All right, I am going to bring this inside so that I can do run stop fairly quickly. This is not like the Picoscope where you go whack some memory, you can just crank, go wander over to the car, crank it and wander back and then stop it. This particular model has 1 megabyte of memory, which is great, but you just need to start it and stop it while you're cranking, and then you can get the most amount of detail that way. Okay, we now have the scope set up. I'm inside the vehicle right now. So here's what we got set. We've got for our capacitive channel 2, our capacitive clamp on our spark plug. We got that set to 200 millivolts per division. We have over here, let's see if it'll focus a bit better. We've got our channel 1, which is our battery voltage. We got it 200 millivolts per division. And I also set it to AC coupling, so it's not going to jump it up high because of the DC volts. We don't care about that. So here's the trick. We're setting it to 500 milliseconds per division. And so that's going to be able to, in one full frame, that'll capture 5 full seconds of data. Then we're going to set the trigger. So the trigger height, you can see here, we've got it fairly low, which is fine. And then we're going to set, the trigger to single. And so what that's going to do is we're going to start the scope, and then we can crank the car, and we'll crank it for 5 seconds. And when it's finished filling the 5 seconds, it'll stop automatically. So here we go. So we can start. So now we're recording, waiting for trigger, and we crank for 5 seconds. Okay, and then that filled our frame buffer here. Let's just turn you. Okay, it'll shut up in a little bit. So here we can see we've got 3 cycles of it, and we'll just pick the center cycle. And what we can do is we can just change the range. So there's the center cycle, and then here we can see between the 2 cylinder number 1, but we can also take a very close look, and we can see that our cycles are very regular, meaning that the compression of the engine is operating quite well. There's no big issue on any particular cylinder there. So there you go. That's how you use the DSTouch from DreamScope Labs for a relative compression test using voltage. If we wanted to do it with current, we just get a current clamp and we would clamp it on there. We'd get a probably much better, cleaner signal. It's got a lot of dirt and noise in it, but yeah, there you go.